Hi, I'm KelbyOne instructor Daniel Gregory, and I'm really excited to share Photo Tip Friday and a tip on printing with you. And this is one of the tips that I find myself giving over and over again, and I'm always amazed at how simple it is, but how important it is to the printing process. Oftentimes when you pull a piece of paper out of the print box and you walk over to the printer, you might get distracted and you set that piece of paper down, and then you come back and you're like, I don't know what side of the paper to print on. Sometimes it's really easy because you look at the paper and it's really shiny on one side and you know to print on the shiny side. But other times, some papers, it's just really hard to tell. So one of the things you can do is you can slightly wet your fingers, and when you touch the paper, the side that you're supposed to print on will be a little tacky, so your finger will stick to it a little bit. If your finger doesn't stick to it, you're printing on the wrong side. So I hope that if you ever get this problem and you get stuck, you can just remember, the lick and stick approach to figuring out which side of the paper to print on is a great way to make sure you always get the print out of the printer the way you want.